Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling durable paper and the smallest tools so everything stays organized. Use one cardstock for structure and lighter paper for pockets. Once you cut a 4x6 rectangle, you can fold it into a tri-fold sleeve that holds items. Fold sharply and press the creases so pockets stay open when needed. Make sure to reinforce the bottom and sides with clear tape so fluids won't soak through. This gives the paper a stronger, semi-waterproof edge while keeping weight low. Once the basic sleeve is ready, you construct compartments to separate supplies so they're accessible under stress. Cut thin paper slips and attach them inside as vertical pockets. Glue or tape only one side so you create openings that act like envelopes. Place adhesive bandages in one pocket and antiseptic wipes in another, keeping sharp items like tweezers wrapped and taped into a third pocket. Make sure to add small paper tabs or tape loops that hold tiny items in place so nothing tumbles out when you open it. To finish, label each pocket so you can identify contents at a glance and write a date to track freshness. This saves seconds in emergencies. Insert the completed paper kit into a small resealable bag to keep moisture out and reduce tearing. Then press edges flat and add a band of tape across the outer flap to hold it closed. If parts get wet, flattened, or tear, replace the affected paper and supplies immediately. Reinforce any weak seams and restock missing items before reuse.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.